Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. Do you have leftover chicken and want a different meal? Then I think you're gonna like this barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potato. Let's get in it. I'm gonna start with cooking my sweet potatoes. You can cook them in different ways. You can put them in a multi-cooker, you can put them in a slow cooker, in the oven. I'm gonna do the fast way. I am putting them in the microwave. So don't forget to pierce them with a fork and then place them in the microwave for about 8 to 10 minutes. The sweet potato is out of the microwave and I've already split it open, and I went ahead and reheated my chicken. So now I want to add a little bit of barbecue sauce to it. And this is more or less going to be a personal preference of how much barbecue sauce you want. So I'm going to go light and mix this all together. Barbecue sauce is on the chicken, and now it's time to build. So I'm going to put barbecue sauce on the potato, and I'm gonna put 2 scoops. Then I'm going to add a little bit of red onions. And you can't have a potato without cheese. And then lastly, a little bit of cilantro to give it a different flavor. And that is a barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potato. Enjoy.